Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 3 SP23 Sedan, stock reference number 4282. This shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, SP23 type sedan grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, rectangular type. It's got a tidy front bumper cover, left hand rectangular type fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, 5-wire type. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left sill skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right power door mirror, 5-wire type. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, surround type, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, owner's manual in a dealership case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average condition 3-spoke leather steering wheel with paddle shift, audio, phone and cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.